In today's tutorial, we're going to cover a technique for using a viewport to control a camera with RayTK. This has been included in a few of the other tutorials over the years, but it's handy enough to warrant its own quick video. We're going to skip over the download and initial setup for the toolkit. If you don't know how to do that, check out the first video in the intro series or any of the full scene tutorials. After you've loaded RayTK into your project, open the palette with the Alt-R shortcut and create a RayMarch Render 3D. Then create a null top connected to the first output so you can see the rendered image. Open the palette one more time, and this time we're going to create a box frame SDF and connect that to the first input on the renderer. That's all we're going to be doing for the scene content itself, so it's time to set up the camera. I usually end up using a look-at camera, but this time we're going to be using a different one. So open the palette with Alt-R, and this time we're going to create a linked camera and connect that up to the camera input on the renderer. This camera acts as a sort of bridge between RayTK and traditional rendering in Touch Designer. It uses a regular camera comp and adapts it for use with RayTK. On linked camera, in the parameters, there's this camera parameter, which can take in a reference to a camera comp. And there are also these two shortcut buttons for creating a camera and attaching it. The Create Basic Camera just creates a regular camera comp, but the Camera Viewport one creates a special type of camera comp that has some added functionality to it. The component that it uses comes from the regular Touch Designer palette. So you can either click that to create it and attach it, or you can go over to the Touch palette and open that up, go to the Tools section, and find Camera Viewport, and drag one of those into your scene. Then on the linked camera, we're going to take our Camera Viewport and drag it into that camera parameter. Then on the Camera Viewport, go to the camera page of parameters, and then we're going to take the null that's coming out of our RayMarch Render 3D and drag that onto the render top parameter. And even though it's called render top, it takes any kind of top, and it displays that in the viewport of this component here. Right-click the camera viewport and choose View to open a new viewer window. This view supports all the standard interactions of geometry viewports. So you can left-click and drag to rotate the view. You can right-click and drag to shift the view. And you can use the scroll wheel or middle-click and drag to zoom in and out. It also has optional keyboard navigation support. To enable that, on the camera viewport, go to the keyboard page and then switch on WASD keys active. This, when you are focused on that viewer window, will allow you to use those keys to move forward and back and side to side. It also has a neat auto rotate feature. So if you go to the camera page here, you can switch on auto rotate. And then if you apply some rotation by dragging with the left mouse button and start it going, it will continue rotating in whatever direction you had started at. One thing to note is that there's a bug in the component that I'm using to display the parameters here on the side that is causing it to drop the frame rate while it's doing this auto rotation. This is specific to that particular component, and as a workaround, if you select any other operator in the scene, then it doesn't do that. So if you're using the template file that I posted a few months back, you might be encountering that. I'm going to work on a fix for that, but for now, you can just select another operator in the network and it'll work fine. And that's it for today. Hopefully you find this technique useful. Let me know in the comments if there are any other techniques that you'd like to see. If you want to support RayTK development, check out my Patreon. You'll get access to the Discord community, early access to tutorials, exclusive scene downloads, and a bunch of other stuff. Anyways, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.